can't buy a home or a car because your credit is so bad. In this video, we will show you 5 hacks to boost your credit score fast. Hey, it's Toytron, Divorce Real Estate Advocates, where we're the #1 source to provide you valuable and critical information to help you during this troubled time with the disposition of your real estate and all things related to real estate. The #1 thing you can do to boost your credit fast is become an authorized user. Ask your friend or family that likes you and wants to help you to improve your credit. They must have great credit and never be late on their payment and doesn't have any derogatory marks on their credit report. You will be adopting their credit, so it's important that they're responsible with their credit. You're trying to boost your credit, not make it worse. When the credit card company sends them the card, tell them just to keep it. This will assure them that you're not going to go on a shopping spree and never be able to pay them back. That's the safe part about this process. Just ask them to use the card when they need to go buy something and then just pay it off like normal when they get the statement. If you're closer to them, then when you actually go out, ask them to use the card, and then when you use it, pay them the money right away and then give them the card back. The next step is to get an unsecured credit card. You will be using your own money, so that's why it's considered unsecured as opposed to secure when you're using the credit cards company and then paying them back at the end of the month. You can go to your own bank and ask to enroll, or just check online. There are a bunch of them. A good one is OpenSky. Open as much as they allow you to and as much as you have. Some starts out with $200 and you can go up to about $3,000. The key to great credit is only use 10% of your credit. Some say you can go up to 20% or you can say 30%. I like to be safe and say 10%. So don't overspend, and then pay it off at the end of the month when you get your statement. The first 2 steps alone can skyrocket your credit score up in just a couple of months. The next step is to pay off the lowest debt first. Say you have 3 debts. Don't pay all 3 little by little. Do pay the minimum, but on one of the lower balance, find a way to pay that off quick. There's something mentally relieving to know you only have 2 debt instead of 3. Do the same thing until all debts are paid off. Okay, these next 2 is controversial, but it works. If your credit is bad, you may have charge-offs or collections. Call them and tell them you're having hardship and you're thinking about going through bankruptcy. You don't want to, but ask them what is the lowest that they're willing to take from you. You're negotiating with them to get a lower price payoff, therefore saving you more money in the end. They may say no. Ask to speak to a supervisor. He may say no. Try again in a few days. Be kind and friendly with them. You're asking them to help you out. Negotiate that if you pay them off, that they will write a letter to take the account off of your report. Don't pay them unless you can get a better price and to have the negative account taken off. Lastly, if you have any recent negative marks on your report and have never been late or owe some small amount, call the credit card company and ask for forgiveness. Yes, just like that. Ask them to forgive you since you've never been late. It was whatever you were going through, some hardship, that you also have money to pay off those late payments and whatever is balance left. If you're nice and it's your first time, they are most likely to help you. Remember, they want to keep your business. If you show that you're responsible, they will help you out. Well, those are 5 hacks to boost your credit fast. You have any questions or comments about it? Write below, we'll reply. If this is your first time, subscribe and push the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this in the future. And please like and share so others can benefit. Thank you. Have a blessed day.